TikTok is a leading example of one of the most important trends in social media marketing, and that's short-form social media videos like this one. I shared 2 videos in my email blast called Luscious Links. The 2 videos talk about how important this new trend of short-form social media videos really is. The first one is a virtual TED Talk by a young Chinese principal at Boston Consulting Group. It's packed with research and examples. The second video drills down even deeper and uses film TikTok to brilliantly explain and show how TikTok really works. And that's something good to know if you care about where social media is going. To get more information, please like or follow, or go to combridges.com if you want the emails with the luscious links every week. Thanks for watching, and I do look forward to hearing from you.